Hello, hi. I am shooting for the first time in ages. I don't even remember the last time I made a video face to face with my camera, talking to you, my viewers and my subscribers. I've been keeping an eye on the channel, even though it has been going stagnant for a while. I've been noticing that the subscribers have slowly been going up. So to everyone who has subscribed, because I've helped you or something like that in a previous tutorial, or you found good advice in my videos, thank you very much. I appreciate that. I am aware that I have not made anything in a while. I have an episode of Capture in Color that is it's like halfway done in the scripting process. And once I finish scripting it, everything gets way more fun. But today I wanted to talk to you about why I think it's taken me so long to get to that point where I do feel as if I can upload a new Capture in Color or a new anything, really. I, like everyone else, I think during the pandemic, during the last 2 years, I think we've all been, well, most of us have been watching TikToks. I think that a lot of us have just been consuming this kind of instant on-demand content. And obviously TikTok is a very powerful tool to speak to your brain, because every time you watch it and you laugh, it releases dopamine, and dopamine is your feel-good drug. So every time you watch something like that, you get a hit. And when you first start watching TikTok, you scroll through a couple of videos and you're like, oh, this is pretty funny, and then you go back to doing the rest of your day. But like every single drug, you slowly need more and more until eventually you spend half of your day laying in bed watching TikToks, and that can't be good for anyone. So, I am a victim of that. A victim of my own design, really. I watch a lot of TikToks a day, and I feel as if it is inhibiting my creativity, because I see what these people can do on this app, and I go, wow, that is incredible that they can reach that level of success in such a small amount of effort put in, like... It's like these, a girl will do a dance and all of a sudden that warrants 2 million views. What? Why? And then someone reacts to it and that gets like another 100,000 views. So it doesn't make sense. And I think that therein lies my problem with it. I watched that after putting, like tens of... hundreds of hours, really, in total. In my whole entire time of making these videos, I would probably say I've put in over 100 hours of creative effort, probably more, into making these videos. And I understand that they do have an importance with a specific set audience. There are people who watch my videos, and there are a lot of people, especially the tutorials, that gain a lot out of them. But it's not 2 million. Maybe I should just start doing dances where I'm practically naked. I don't know anyone that would pay for that. Personally, I wouldn't pay to see myself do that. But even still, it's a little disheartening, So the more I watch of those, the more I realize that the amount of effort that I put into my content is futile, and then it's just a circle, I realize that what I am doing is worthless, so I watch TikToks, and the TikToks lead me right back into, wow, what I am doing is worthless, and it's a vicious cycle. So I personally am going to try and take as much of a step back from TikTok as I possibly can, and just social media in general. So I'm at the point where I'm happy to announce that the next episode of Capture in Color is going to be called Hardware and Operating Systems, and it's going to be all about my journey of going between Windows and Mac OS and evaluating how much of an impact those two operating systems have on editing efficiency and performance, and just kind of talking about the future of video editing. Is it going to stay on a relatively open platform like x86 processors are, with AMD and Intel processors, or is it going to go towards more something like Apple's M1 chips? Are we going to see more of a rise of those kind of chips? And yeah, I'm excited to work on it and produce it for you guys. I've got a whole lot of new hardware that I'm really excited to play with, especially this autofocusing lens, because for a long time I was shooting on the Canon 24-70 USML series f2.8 lens, and now I'm shooting on the Sony G Master 18-105 f4, which works a whole lot better with my FS5. And yes, I got an FS5 instead of an FS700R. It's a really good camera. It does the same thing. It's just a lot smaller. So that is it. I need to stop talking, otherwise I will rattle on and I just won't finish this video. Thank you for watching. To everyone that did, I really appreciate it. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video, which hopefully should be capture in color, if not a complaint video or something like that. So, see you later. Goodbye.